Hot dogs recipe. For hot dog buns, for beef hot dog sausages. 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup mustard, 1/4 cup relish or pickles optional. Sauerkraut optional, grated cheddar cheese optional. 1. Grill or boil the hot dogs. If grilling, cook over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until browned. 2. If boiling, bring a pot of water to a boil, then add the hot dogs and cook for about 5 minutes. 3. Lightly butter the hot dog buns and toast them on the grill or in a skillet until golden brown. 4. In a pan, melt the butter over medium heat and saute the onions until soft and slightly caramelized, about 5 minutes. 5. Place the cooked sausage in the toasted bun. 6. Add desired toppings like ketchup, mustard, relish, sauerkraut, sautéed onions, and cheese. 7. Serve hot with your favorite sides like fries or chips and enjoy hot dogs. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget to check out the description.